Question: the gemophyte is not an independent free living generation in answer penis. Next question: select the correct matching. Answer: beta fighting fish. Next question: the sex organ in bryophytes are answer multicellular. Next question: air bladder which regulate buoyancy is present in answer bonyfish. Next question: one of the representative of phylum Arthropoda is answer silverfish. Next question: the main plant body of bryophyte answer aploid. Next question: select the total number of organisms from the following which contains well developed muscular phalanx with complete alimentary canal. Answer: this is only 3. Question: which group of animals belong to the same phylum? Answer: prawn, scorpion, locutus. Next question: which is correct about ascaris? Answer: females are longer than males. Next question: the male sex organ of bryophyte is called answer anterozoids. Next question: match the following. Answer: in A, ascaris is matched with institutional roundworms, and B matched with 2, and C with 3, and Peritoneumia is matched with earthworms. Next question: Selaginella and Salmonella are considered to represent a significant step towards the evolution of seeds habit because answer embryo develops in the female gemophyte which is retained on parent sporophyte. Next question: select the total number of bony fish from the following. Answer: in this total 7 number of bony fishes. Question: external fertilization is found in answer flying fish. Next question: which are correctly matched with respect to their taxonomic classification? Answer: housefly, butterfly, testfly, and silverfish insecta. Next question: Ocyphaceae possess which kind of scales? Answer: glycoid centonoid. Next question: the gemophyte possessing leaf-like, root-like, and stem-like structure is answer mosaic. Next question: which character does not belong to phylum Escalaminthus? Answer: alimentary canal is incomplete with a well-developed muscular hierarchy. Next question: consider the 4 statements and specify whether they are correct. Answer: Salvinia is heterosporous, and B, the life cycle in all seed breeding plants is diplonotic. Next question: in which the genes name its 2 character and its phylum are not correctly matched, whereas the remaining 3 are correct. Answer: genes name 2 characters, phylum 1 pila, body is segmented mollusca, and 2 mouth with rhodula. Question: roundworms and nematodes are answer free living, aquatic or terrestrial, and C, parasite or animal and plants. Next question: male and female gemophyte are independent and free living in answer sponge. Next question: streamlined body to both marine and freshwater. C, mouth is terminal, and fourth caudal fin homosexual, and 5 4 pair of gills with operculum. Which class has been the above characteristics? Osteichthyes. Next question: which pair of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the feature setted against them? Answer: seahorse and flying fish, cold-blooded. Next question: algae have cell wall made up of answer cellulose, gelatinous, and mannanes. Next question: the organism having more differentiated plant body than algae is answer mosaic. Next question: select the total number of organisms which show internal fertilization. In this 8 number of organisms which show internal fertilization.